everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today I have my Stitch Fix to open. So what I'm going to do is tell you a little bit about Stitch Fix, then I'm going to unbox everything, and then I'll do a little try on. So you guys have to let me know what item you think I should keep. But if you do not know what Stitch Fix is, let's go over that first. So Stitch Fix is a personal styling service, and I've been getting this for a long time. Oh, there's a cat scratching. What are you doing? So you pay $20 and that's considered a styling fee, and you get 5 items sent to you from a stylist. When you sign up, you do complete a styling survey, so you give them like your sizes, your desired price ranges, like things you like, don't like you can say you never wear pants, I'm pretty sure I told them that, and stuff like that. So it's pretty thorough, and you can even leave a note for a stylist as well if you're looking for any type of specific pieces or clothing, or like different styles, so that is great. There is a way to communicate, they call it like a note for your stylist. So if you choose to purchase any of your 5 items, that $20 styling fee goes towards your purchase. And if you decide to keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. So it's pretty great. Sometimes you might not like absolutely love your very first fix, but you give feedback when you check out. You can tell them like how it fits, if it was your style or not. So then your stylist gets an even like better idea of what your personal style is and can make it even better the next time. If for some reason you're just really unhappy, you can switch stylists as well. You have that option, or you can just like pick to have either way. Like you don't care if you keep the same stylist or get a new one. So yeah, it's pretty great. And they have a good referral program too. So I have a referral link I will share with you all if you are interested in trying out Stitch Fix. I have $25 to give you, so that is great. You get $25 for your Stitch Fix, and then using my link I would also get $25 to apply to my future fixes. So it helps both of us out. And then when you sign up, you can use your own link and provide it with to your family and friends. So I really love referral programs like that. It helps everyone out, and you know, we can all get a little money to spend on some clothing. So that's pretty awesome. Stitch Fix isn't only just for women, it's also for men and children. So if you use my link, you could just browse their site and see that stuff too. On the website also, when you log in, they'll like give you pictures of clothing. You can do like a thumbs up or thumbs down and tell them if you like that, so they can also get a better idea of your style through that. You can also link a Pinterest board. If you create a like style board on Pinterest, you can share it with your stylist so they can see specific clothing you like. I used to be big on that and I kind of forgot, so I might start doing that again. I'll actually link my Stitch Fix like style board below. If you see anything you like, you can pin it, and a lot of the items I put on there in the past are actually from Stitch Fix, so it's possible you can even get those items exactly. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get more into that because I think it really does help. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's see what 5 items my stylist sent me this month. Oh, and you don't have to do like auto renewal, like it doesn't have to ship to you every month. You can just like do it as you want, like request a fix as needed, or you could do it like every month or every 2 months or every 3 months. You get to pick your desired frequency, so that's another plus. There is free shipping both to and from, so just drop to the floor, but they include a mailer bag, so anything you don't keep you can mail back, and there is a prepaid envelope. You just have to bring this to any USPS, so any post office, or if it fits in your mailbox, you can do that as well. And then there's a little envelope here. Inside here will be a note from my stylist, and also inside it like shows you some styling options, like it gives you some advice on how to style your new pieces. And then there's an invoice, so in here it'll tell me what my items are and how much they cost, as well as how much it would cost if I kept everything. So I'll reference this throughout the unboxing. And then all of the pieces are styled together in here, and I didn't peek at all yet. They look pretty. I love it. You can like see all of the different like fabrics and prints. So let's read the note first. Got some like cat hair on me. What else is new? So it says, "Hello Kitty, happy Fix Day. I hope you had an amazing 4th of July holiday and that you were able to spend the day soaking up the sun with family and friends. Since you weren't looking for anything particular to receive today, I chose casual dresses and tops that would continue building on your summer style." And then it talks more about the specific pieces and how to style them, so I'm gonna skip that part so it's more of a surprise. So I have Abby as a stylist. She's been my stylist for a while now, I think. Oh my God, you guys, this is my Stitch Fix number 28. That's how long I've been getting Stitch Fix. That's crazy. What else is crazy is my hair right now. Ooh, what is this beautiful piece? This is a dress. This is by Market and Spruce. So it does have sleeves, but also it like ties at the waist. I love the blue. I like would have to only wear this probably at night because like it's super hot here in Florida, but I think this is super pretty. And in the front you can see there's like some detail there, so I'm excited to try this one on. This is super cute. I love it. And there's a little bit of a different print on the bottom. I'm excited about this. Let's see, hopefully it's not too expensive. The Market and Spruce. Is this a romper? Oh my god, yeah, it's a romper. I thought this was a dress. The Market and Spruce Frayda knit romper. This is $68. So a little pricey, but I did not expect it to be a romper. I haven't tried one in a while. It looks like this would fit. Sometimes rompers like are a little too tight on my torso, but this is like stretchy material, so I guess we'll have to see. Like, so you don't want anything like riding up down there. No camel toe, please. Nope. Next up, this is also gorgeous. This is by Lush, and this is a top. And look, it has like the tie bottom. I love that. This is so pretty. And there's like some flowy sleeves. I can't wait to try this one. Let's see how much this costs. This is the Lush Cristantha tie front blouse, and it is $42. So pretty. And then what do we have here? Well, it looks like this might be like a maxi dress. Yeah, this is like a navy blue maxi dress, and you can see there's like 2 straps in the back. Oops. That's what the back would look like. And it does like cinch at the waist. This is cute. How much is this one? The Paper Moon Wendelin knit maxi dress. This is $48. That's not too bad for a dress. Awesome. I'm excited to try it on. I'm liking everything so far. Uh-oh. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at this top. So it's got like little sleeves. Can you guys see how pretty this print is? And on the bottom of it, I'll have to see how this works. There's like this right here, so it's, what would you call this? I don't know. Kind of like cinches at the bottom. So this is so pretty though. Oh my gosh, let's see. So this is also by Paper Moon. This is the Candace skirted blouse, and this is $40. This is so pretty. I'm excited to try this on. And then our last item, this is by Market and Spruce, and this is like a white, like this is more of like a dressy shirt. It's got like some lace detail, and in the back there's like a little zipper. So this is probably my least favorite just looking at it. The back doesn't have lace, but the sleeves do all the way around, if you can see that. But you never know until you try it on, I've discovered. So this is the Market and Spruce hands crochet front top. This is $58. So everything totaled up together is $256. If I keep all 5, you save $64. So the total would be $192. So, all right, now I am going to step aside and try on the pieces. I think I'll probably start with the tops just because I have shorts on right now, but just so you know, we're not doing it in exact order. Here is what I just showed you. I think it's cute. I mean, you could see my bra through it right now. But like, I don't, and the sleeves aren't too tight. Like my biggest pet peeve is like when things are too tight in your arms. Like I can move totally freely in this, like it's comfortable. But I don't know if I would want to buy this for $58. Like I don't know how often I will wear this, but it is cute. Like maybe, I don't know. You guys of course have to let me know your thoughts down below on all of this. Alright, so I of course would not wear this top with these shorts. But it's kind of like a crop top almost, like, you know, because these are like high-waisted shorts, so I don't know, I think it's really pretty though. Like, I like the sleeves, I like the price of it, so I think this is a most affordable option. I don't know, you guys have to let me know what you think of this one. Like, I think this would be good for like filming too, like how it cuts and everything like that, so yeah, I don't know, I think I like it, but I have to think about what bottoms I would wear with it. So again, with this top, I wouldn't wear these shorts and I'd wear a different bra. But I didn't even notice the button detail when I was taking it out, but you could see like it ties right here. It's very flowy and comfortable. I don't love it as much as I thought I would, but I still like it. So you guys have to let me know. I like the colors. Yeah, let me know your thoughts, please. So here's the romper. I don't like love it, but I don't hate it. It's not like too tight down here like sometimes they are. I mean, it's pretty. It's long sleeves. I just don't know how like flattering it is. Like, I mean, but it wasn't hard to get on, but like, you know, rompers, like you definitely have to like fully take it off to go to the bathroom and stuff like that. I like the colors though. I don't know. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'm just not really sold on it. It's really comfy actually, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try in the last dress. I really like this maxi dress. It's like super comfy. It hits right where it should. There's like a little slit over here if you can't tell. So yeah, I'd have to see if it works like with the strapless bra or with no bra, but I like this up here. Sorry, it looks like I'm just trying to show you my cleavage right now. Let me pull up my hair, but yeah, I like this multiple straps. And I like how it like cinches right here. I think that's more flattering, you know. I think I like this, and this was less than $50. I like this Paper Moon company. I don't think I've had anything from them before. It feels like really nice material too. So yeah, this is $48. And I think that blouse by them was my other favorite. This one, I think this is, I just have to figure out what bottoms I'd wear with it, but I think I like these two the most. But you guys, I value your opinion, so please let me know what you think, what I should keep and what I shouldn't. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling this maxi, I don't know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, and of course I'm gonna leave that link down below. Everything I said I'll link down below. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you in advance for helping me out deciding what to keep. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.